Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to talk about what is the year of manufacture of this Realme X1 Max device, which is 12GB RAM version, and what is the software version out of the box. So these are the few doubts which few users are actually having in the Realme X1 Max device. So this Realme X1 Max which I purchased is from the Flipkart recent offers, so which is a 12GB RAM model which I got for about 22,000, and after bank discounts and everything, so it became kind of close to 21,000. So 12GB RAM version, and let me show you exactly what is a security patch update, which is 5th of March, and the build number is of A.14, which is pretty first version of A.14 software update in this Realme X1 Max device. So it's been 1 year old security patch in this device. So it's pretty old stock, I would say, regarding the Realme X1 Max device. And manufacture date, which is also should be there somewhere around here. Let me try to check that manufacture date. So yes, manufactured month. You can clearly see it's about May 2021, made in India. So this is a manufactured phone, exactly May 2021. So these are a few details, friends, which are just mentioning for you all regarding the manufactured month and security patch, and what is the software version which is running out of the box. And meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and bye.